Hello kids! Welcome to Ate Z TV! Dito sa channel natin, sabay-sabay tayo matututo, mag-enjoy, at magiging mabuting bata araw-araw. May mga Bible stories, character building stories, Bible verses, poems, singing, at exciting adventures. Kaya kung gusto mong maging mas mabait, mas matalino, at mas malapit kay Jesus, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated. Dito lang sa Ate Z TV, kung saan ang bawat bata ay bida. See you kids! Bye-bye!